recently been looking into bringing some of my granddad's old cameras back to life, and this is his old Polaroid. It is an SX70 film model. I don't even know. I've not used these in like, I don't even know, 20 years. So I've been hunting down some film, which I have got from a wonderful shop called Aperture in sort of Soho area in London. I'm gonna attempt to put this in here and see what happens. Wish me luck. So this is the film. It has an interesting warning. But the warning is not good. Anyway, screw it. I'm doing it. So, let's see what happens. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just watched a YouTube video, which hopefully is going to tell me everything I need to know to do this correctly. So, there's a little side button here. Okay. Right, so I think, as far as I know, that means it's empty because otherwise there would be a film sitting just in here. It's a bit dusty. Don't drop it. So I'm going to open the film. This, by the way, was £20 for 8 photos. Just saying. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, it's in some form of foil. Oh, it does smell weird. Oh, chemicals poisoning me already, I can feel it. Okay, cool. I don't know if you get these messages like in every box of photos, but how funny, because that's a similar message to what is on my camera bag straps. So that's super cute. This tab here, which you're supposed to have facing out. And then these contacts on the back are supposed to be face down. Let's see how this goes. So contacts down, flappy thing out. Oh, I hope that was a good sound and not a breaking sound. And then I think I just close it up. Woohoo! That is cool. I'm really, really happy. It's got film now. Now I need to figure out what this dial does and what else I need to know about the Polaroid before using it. So, yay. Hopefully that was successful. And yeah, give us a follow if you want to see the outcomes.